birthday to me. Guys, it's been a couple of hours since I got back home. I was so stressed. The weather outside is like, God, it was so hot that as soon as I got home, I went into the shower and I poured, like, I had a cold shower from head to toe, literally. And I just did this cornrows. I don't know if you can tell, but I think it still looks new, by the way. But after I had my shower, because obviously I poured it on my hair, I had to use my blow dryer and dry it out. And the relief, ah, the weather outside is so hot. Like, I almost regretted stepping out today. And to think that I had other things that I was supposed to do. I was supposed to not, I'm not supposed to anymore, but I was supposed to like go get my lashes done this evening. But by the time I got back home, I had to cancel that appointment because there was no way I was going to step out after what I had been through. Anyways, I'm about to have some noodles now. I just prepared these noodles. I know it looks funny. It looks like jollof, but it's not jollof. I promise. There's soy sauce and beef here. It's just like a stir fry indomie, so that's why it looks different. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys my nails. You guys already saw it. It's beautiful, to be honest. I don't like it. It's not what I wanted. Let me hold on with this food. It's not what I wanted. Like, it's not giving me the vibe I wanted. I think I don't like the gold lining. It's just, and this flower right here. Come on now. But I can't even complain because I told her to just do whatever she thinks would look good on me. And well, apparently she did not realize I wouldn't like this. And by the time I saw it, I was like, nah, I don't like this. But on second, I was like, well, what am I gonna do? Nothing. We're not about to start afresh. But it still looks really nice. And this lady honestly is literally one of the best nail techs, if not the best. No, she's not the best. She's literally one of the best nail techs I've used. Her nails are so sleek, they are so beautiful. She knows her job. And I found her on TikTok, by the way. So yeah, just put yourself out there. And this is like the second time I'm doing my nails with her, and for the second time she ate. Just that I don't really like the design, but I still know that this is very nice, good job, by the way. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And also, I think there's something else I was supposed to. So my birthday is tomorrow. I'm so excited, guys. Indomie is getting cold. I really need to eat. I need to stop talking and eat. My birthday is tomorrow, and I can't wait. I'm not having a party or anything. I'll probably just go on a date with my husband. But like, I'm super excited because the girl is turning 28. It's not easy. Guys, I need to eat. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'll eat and yeah, see you guys later. Guys, I literally just saw this note that came with the package. Happy birthday, my sugar plum. Love, love, love you so very much. Oh, thank you, my baby. I'm so happy. Thank you. This was so thoughtful. Thank you. Thank you, my babies. Hi. Hi, my faves. So here is my cake. Ouch. 28. Guys, this cake is so nice. I'll talk about the vendor later because her cake is really, really nice. But for now, let's talk about me, the birthday girl. I'm so happy. I'm gonna light my candle and blow it out, and I'm going to say a wish or something. I don't know, but yeah. And then I'll blow out my candle with you guys. Let me light it. So now I have to say a wish. I wish but yeah, this is to 28. Cheers to 28. Yay, I want to clap. Happy birthday to me. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. And also I want to take out time to appreciate every single one of you for the birthday wishes. It was a lot of wishes, and to be honest, this is the most birthday wishes I've ever gotten in my life, and it just really made me so emotional. I was so happy, guys. Thank you so much. My birthday was great, to be honest. Everything didn't work out the way I planned it to, but regardless, I was really happy, and I think that's all that matters, you know. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for the birthday wishes. I'm currently stepping out with hobby now. I want to go and get some things done, and I just thought to say hi to you guys and also thank you guys for the birthday wishes. The girl is grateful and thankful. Yeah, that's basically it. Ciao.